Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. My name is Moon and today I've got a fun little fashion file unboxing for you. This is a Louis Vuitton SLG that I have been meaning to add to my collection for a while. I'm putting these final finishing touches on my collection and I just have a few more items to go and then I feel like I've completed my collection. I'm so close to it. And I really can't wait. I'm so happy with all the items I have, and I would like to post a few collection videos down the road. But this piece I put on reserve on Fashion File a few weeks ago, just paid it off, and it arrived today. I was so excited. And actually I was out for a walk, and when I got back, UPS had left me a note saying that they tried to deliver, but I didn't see a package because, I wasn't there. I had to sign for it. Anyway, I log on to my email and it says the package has been delivered. And I'm thinking, no, it hasn't. I got a note on my door saying UPS tried to deliver, but I wasn't here. So I freaked out. Turned out my landlord had signed for the package and had it in his apartment. And thankfully I got it. So I am so glad I got this piece. I was kind of worried for a little while there that I would never get it. So let's go ahead and unbox this item. Here it is, Fashion File. Woohoo! I am so excited. I love the way they package their items. It's so festive with the gray and white and the black and white, which I guess this is just like a little card that comes along with it. I'm gonna put that there. And this is the item. Can you guess what it is? I'm gonna put the box aside right over here. I am so excited. Look at this. So you can tell that it's an SLG and it's like this big, right? I mean, it's in a dust cloth, a Fashion File dust cloth. So let's go ahead and open it up, tear this piece, get rid of the tissue paper that's so noisy. And here it is in the Fashion File dust cloth. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is such a beautiful little piece. Look at that. I wanted to get the monogram pochette for the Neverfull because I do own the monogram in the monogram Neverfull in the PM size. And I also have a Neverfull in the Damier Azur and the Damier Eben print. But those Neverfulls I purchased new, whereas my monogram one I purchased pre-loved from Fashion File, and so I did not have this pochette, which I just think is such a beautiful piece. I totally dig this pochette. My Neverfull is right here. Ta-da! It is in its original dust bag, and I purchased this last year. So this has the beige interior, as you can see, and it is several years old. I want to say it's like 2008. So, it has patinaed, but in great condition for being so old. I totally love this. And so I wanted to get this piece to match this particular bag. So there it is. It fits right in there. And it doesn't exactly match because the interior of my Neverfull is beige and the bag is small and this is a bigger pochette. And also it's got this like fuchsia pink interior, which is why I wanted to order it. Oh my gosh, that interior is so gorgeous. Look at that. I don't have anything with this color on the interior. And so I thought this would be such a beautiful piece to add to my collection and, to get this like pop of hot pink on the interior, which actually for the bag, I mean, I've seen it in videos. It does look beautiful, but I kind of do like that I have the understated beige, but then I get this pop of color with this particular piece. So it completes my collection in that I have the matching Neverfull and the pochette. But it also adds something new with the splash of color here that I don't already own. So I'm really excited about this. I know that these really slim pieces aren't always viewed as the most practical, but I just think they're amazing. I really love them. And I think they're so awesome for a pop out and, they're understated. And I think they would also make nice clutches if you're going to a special occasion or just, going out for date night or something. I just like the idea of using them. And I wanted to get the pochette in all 3 prints. So I'm so psyched that I have that now. And so this is what I ordered. She's such a beauty. I'm so excited. I really love this piece and I feel like I am going to definitely use it. And, another way a person might use this is to use this as a wallet in your piece. You could store your receipts in here or important papers in here. But I have packed this with multiple things, like, let me see in my bag here, just to give you a sense. I am recording with my phone, but I've got my key clay here, so that fits in there just fine. And then I have my Rosalie coin purse, and even that fits in there just fine. And if I wanted to grab my PM cosmetic pouch and throw in a lip gloss, let's say, and hand sanitizer. I love this like slim EO bottle because you can fit this into so many different bags. So that fits in there really comfortably. And that zips up so beautifully. So yes, I've got my key clay in there, my Rosalie coin purse, and I've got my lip gloss, and I have my hand sanitizer. And I could probably stuff my phone in there. It would make the zipper warp, but I think I probably could do that, or hold it in my hand, or in my pocket. But still, in the clutch, you can get all this stuff in there. And I'm just so digging this bright pink color in there. I can't get over it. I think it's so beautiful. Anyway, I will do a more detailed comparison down the line. I just wanted to do my unboxing for you today, and I can't wait to add this piece to my collection and, start using it. I can't wait to jump right in. Anyway, let me know, what do you think about the Neverfull pochette? I'm always curious to know, how do you use yours? Do you find it useful if you have one? And, what are your thoughts on it? I just love hearing that. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a like and subscribe. I would love to have you follow me. Thank you and have an awesome week.